Hello, welcome. Today we are going to see what is 4%. Okay, before that, how many of you seen my last video? If you have seen, please comment on it. I would love to hear the comment whether it is positive or negative. Whatever it is in your mind, please comment on my post. Look, I am doing to help you guys which I know. Okay, so I want you to encourage me to bring some more videos which can help you in your life. Now I am a human communicating from my heart. There is no script, nothing. Whichever I learned from my mentor, I am implementing in my life. I'm making a videos to help you guys. Okay, there is three quotes I follow from three different persons. One is Mr. Abdul Kalam, our ex-president. He says, when you learn something, you think, and when you think, you gain knowledge, and when you gain knowledge, you become great. And there is a second person, Swami Vivekananda. We celebrate his birthday as a youth day, and 12th January was his birthday. He says, it's not about how much knowledge you have, how much wise person you are, how much rich you are. It's about how you can transform your information into transformation to take your community, friends, your society around on your journey to success, spiritual enlightenment. It's all about that. And there is a third person, John D. Martini. He says, if you're learning something, teach to others. And if you're learning today, same day, teach to others so that you can become a leader. So if you want to become a leader, teach what you know to others. Okay, in that message, I have started this channel and this page to give that information which I know. Again, my last video, I may be not so good in communication. I may be sounding like a Rahul Gandhi. Okay, so just mistaken. Again, there is no script. I'm just speaking as a human to a human. Okay, so please encourage with the comments, whether positive or negative. You can definitely see me a better version of myself in coming videos. Thank you so much, and let's get back to what is this 4%. So as my mentor has told me one biggest concept, he said, if there is 100 people in a room, only 20% people who go for what they want. It's like 80% people do what others doing. They follow others and they are in the flow what others are doing. But 20% are people who do what they want. Okay, they go behind it. And there is 4%, which is 20% of 20%, which is 4%. You can say this is. Okay, my handwriting is a little wrong on the board, not good on a board, please excuse me. So he says 80% who follows, 20% who knows what they want and they try to achieve that, but 4% out of this 20%, which is 20% of 20% is 4%, they dominates whatever they are doing it. So let me give you an example. Let me give you a practical example. In our parliament or in our union minister, how many ministers are there? Including state and union minister who are sitting in a parliament. I think if just see the data, Google, I think it's including prime minister, it is 49 people. Okay, I'll just write down here. 49 people. Now what is the 20% of this? What is the 20% of this? 20% of this, it comes around some 9.8, some 9.5. Keep it as 9 or keep it as 9.5. And what is the 20% of this 9.5, which is 4%? It's around comes about 1.8 or you can just 2. Now just see 49 ministers in ministers. There are the 9.5 who are the main cabinet ministers, I guess, who takes a decision power. But who dominates? You can hear only 2 names. Who makes the policy and who makes the decision for entire country, and which starts from 2 people. Whether anything happens right in the country, they have been praised by their supporter. If anything happens wrong, they have been criticized from the opposition party. Who are these 2%? 2%? Yeah, I guess you know. It's Narendra Modi and Amit Shah. They are dominating the Indian politics currently and the whole parliament, which draws a law for the whole country. Okay, let me give another natural example. Okay, how many population in a country? There is 135 crore. Okay, forget about the children and the age above 80 ages who are not paying a tax. Think about 100 crore people, working class people. But how many pays tax? I am talking about the direct pays. Around, if you take the data, it will say 4.5 or 5%. See, the same data comes here. If there is 100 people, 4% people are the taxpayers. If there is a 49 minister, 2 people who dominates in taking that all decisions. Now I'll tell you about the nature. Forget about the human beings, about the human laws. I'm talking about the nature law. Okay, which are the 80%? 80% is the sheep. I hope the spelling is right. Okay, as I said, by education I'm a backbencher, so 80% is the sheep. Sheep is like follows each other. The one sheep, if is having a food in a one corner, every sheep will go and hunt. So it will follow just one and each another. Who does front sheep, the back sheep also will be doing the same. So 80% is just follows. Okay. Now 20%. 20% you can say like tiger, python, or panther. See, these are the single animals who knows what they want to hunt and they go for hunting it. See, they go hunt, if they get it, they eat and they sleep until unless they get hungry for the next time. If they don't get it, they wait for another 1 day or 2 days for the next hunt. Okay, and they hustle. 20% people hustle, 80% people follow the others. And what are the 4% people? And the nature again. Which is the 4%? 4% is the queen honeybee. Queen honeybee. Not all the bee, but the queen honeybee. I'll tell you why. See, as far I know, my information, queen honeybee doesn't do any work. Okay, it just sit on in her hive and just produces the babies. It produces around 1000 to 1500 babies in a day, as per the science. Okay, again, in the bee hive, there is again this formula is there: 80%, 20%, and 4%. See, 80% are the worker bees who goes and squeeze the juices of the flowers and convert it, bring back to the honey hive. Okay, there are so many bees which going in and around, but there are some 20% of the total hives are the male hives which protects that honey which got from the workers, and it work other job it does is just a mating with the queen honeybee. Okay, so there are 20%. So you will find male more the bee workers, the male honey which mates with the queen honeybee, and there will be only one queen honeybee which just produces baby. It doesn't do any work because it dominates the whole hive. Okay, now being a human, I am not telling you to produce the babies, but what I am trying to say is 4% dominates by their ideas. So like a queen honeybee, you have to dominate in thing whatever you are doing. Okay, whatever you are doing, whether your mother, whether your father, whether you are rich, poor, whatever work you are doing, whether a student, teacher, whatever, you have to be a best. You should not, first of all, you should not do what others are doing. And if you are doing, you should be so visionary and should be so go behind it that you should make it simple and fast that you can dominate it. Okay, now see, in industry, when it comes to industry also, there are so many industries, so many businesses, but you can see 3 or 4 names in the industry who are there in India especially. Ambani, Tata, recently names because of politics, it's Adani, again Jindal or Aditya Birla. These 4-5 names are dominating. Whatever they say, the government will make a law accordingly. So if you want to be change something or reform something or something great, you have to be 4%. Whether you want to be good in health, whether you want to be good in finance, good in relationship. See, in the classroom also, I'll give another example. Whenever we all gone to school, but you will see there are only out of some 50-60 students in my class. There was always an average 55 to 60 students in a class, our class. So rest of 1 or 2 people will be dominating that first or second rank. There will be always competition between 2 guys, and rest will be always an average passing or some of fail and all those things. Okay, again, whatever they are doing, they are dominating on it. So I'm just trying to make you understand, whatever you're doing, try to become best by being 4%, create an idea and dominate on it by taking an action, productivity actions. Okay, thank you so much. This video was just to understand what is the 4%, and tomorrow or by next video we'll find what are the rules to become a 4%. There are 12 rules which are laid by my mentor and it's very powerful. So I will share you on the next video how to become a 4%. Okay, thank you so much, and guys, please comment on the video. I would love to bring some more invisible concept which you do not know. Thank you so much, and please influence yourself to influence others. Thank you.